Zdravo, jaz sem Vasja. V prostem času rad poslušam glasbo in danes bom samo za vas obiskal najbolj težko metalni bend na svetu. With its 350 kilograms, Mega Watson is certainly the heaviest singer in the world. Which are the other members of the band?
Stickboy on the drums, and we have Bones who's playing the bass guitar. And then also not forgetting Schmidty, the small robot on the hi-hat. The drummer was quite easy to make. He has no brain. We tell him what to do and he does it. And the singer, even though he doesn't play an instrument, has been the most complicated robot to build.
Do they actually play the instruments or is it just a recording?
No, many people think this, but they actually play instruments. They play live every time on the stage and it takes many hours of practice, just like a human band. Mega Watson is actually singing. The voice does come out of his head, out of his mouth. He does have to hold the microphone to his mouth in order for you to hear him. His audio isn't being sent to the speakers directly. So in that sense, he is also performing live.
Is it hard for them to play since they're always under the pressure?
This band actually likes the pressure. The more pressure, the better they play. They don't use hydraulics, which is with oil and very slow and messy if it's leaking. They use compressed air. This is what's called pneumatic. And they need at least 7 to 8 bars, which is quite high pressure, and then they're happy.
Today we have a lot of software that can create music. Do you think Compressorhead will ever be able to create music on its own without your help?
Maybe one day, but this also depends on us. Yeah, this would take a lot of work. One of the robots, we just tell him the music and he actually decides how he plays the music himself. So he's already got some element of a brain inside.
Can you make me a robot that will do my homework?
If it's musical homework, maybe, yeah.
Če bi radi tudi vi spoznali Compressorhead v živo, pridite danes zvečer v Trbovlje na koncert ali pa jutri samo na druženje. Adijo!